Good afternoon, everybody. This is Robert Stevens, Senior Vice President of Construction Sales with GSF Mortgage, and welcome to yet another episode of Under Construction. Thank you for having me. I'd like to talk with you today about the builder's draw schedule. How is the builder going to be paid with a single close construction program, whether that be for FHA, VA, USDA, or a 95% Fannie Mae option? Even a FHA duplex, or perhaps a Fannie Mae second home. Well, we understand the builder needs some startup money, some startup cash in the beginning of the transaction, whether that be for permits, soft costs, whatever the case may be. So with a single close construction program, we're glad to offer a 10% advancement at the closing table to help the builder get the project started. But then from that point forward, we want to make sure not only do we protect our interest in the project, but we want to make sure that the borrower is protected as well. So going forward from that initial draw at the closing table, the builder will only be paid for work completed. So typically we would look at a 5-stage draw schedule, and as each particular stage is completed, now we have some flexibility that if discussed in advance, we're probably going to be able to, work with the home builder, as far as those reasonable requests are concerned. But we're more than happy that once that work is done in that particular stage, the work is quickly inspected, and then upon receipt of a satisfactory inspection report, usually within 3 to 5 days, the money is wired to the home builder. Again, it's there to protect the borrower and our interest as the lender, but in the beginning, we're also flexible with giving that 10% advance. We think that really works well. The builder clientele, they understand that as long as they're getting that advance at the closing table, and the borrowers certainly appreciate that because we're protecting their interest in the property as well, and we will only pay for work that's been completed. So please reach out to me if you have any additional questions on how your builder's draw schedule will work. I'd be more than happy to go over the details with you. This is Robert Stevens with GSF Mortgage, and thanks again for joining today.